Today I would like to show you the unboxing of a Fanvil X1. In the box you'll find a quick installation guide, a phone, a handset, a curly cord, a cable, and a phone stand. This is the Fanvil X1. It is an entry-level IP phone. It can handle 2 phone lines, 3-way conferencing. On the back you'll find the standard plugs you get on any IP phone. It has also got a power supply input, so you can run it via power supply or PoE, though it doesn't come with a power supply. And there's also an RJ9 port for a headset. Let's put this phone together. Short cable connects into the bottom of the handset, like so. And then we plug it in to the back of the phone into the one indicating handset. We feed that through down there. Right, now the phone stand has 2 settings, a higher setting and a lower setting. Today we're just going to use this one setting here. And there we have the Fanvil X1.